Have you considered wooden windows for your home but worry about the problems that might come with them? Well, this video is going to help you because we're going to break down 3 problems with wood windows and how you can avoid them. Wooden windows give your home an aesthetic that aluminum or vinyl can't match. And while they offer a more timeless look, they do require extra maintenance to keep them looking fresh. Problems such as rot, damage caused by the weather, and even infestation can all affect your wood windows. So let's talk about these issues and the ways in which you can avoid these problems. The most common problem you may run into with wooden windows is rotting. Rotting or decaying in wood happens when fungi grow due to moisture in the wood. The combination of constant moisture and warm temperature sets up the perfect environment for fungi to grow. There are 3 different types of rotting in wood you can identify when inspecting your windows for rot. Brown rot is also referred to as dry rot. Brown rot breaks down the inner wood fibers. The wood appears chalky and dry, causing the wood to split and easily break into pieces. White rot, you can assume from the name, leaves behind white spots where the wood is infected. It can also appear grayish or yellow. Soft rot is the least common form of rotting. It takes much longer to make its way into the wood and break it down, but it affects the strength of the wood and leaves a honeycomb-like appearance. How can you avoid rot? Rotting in wood is a natural process. Preventative measures you can take for your windows are to inspect them regularly for cracks in the frame, and you can also look for the physical signs of rot we just talked about. One of the best ways to prevent rot in a wood window is to regularly paint or stain the wood. If rot in wood is left untreated, mold can grow and be harmful to the occupants of the home and cause many different health problems. If you notice any mold on your windows, be sure to call a window professional to have your windows replaced. Weather damage. During the lifetime of your home, you may find that your house expands when it's warmer and contracts when it's colder. This is completely normal for any home. Unfortunately, for your wooden windows though, the constant expansion and contraction can cause cracks in the wood and the surrounding caulk. This cracking allows for more moisture to get into the wood, which can cause rot. The cracking of the caulk can allow water penetration, which will accelerate the rotting of your wood frame. When it's more humid outside, wooden windows can appear sticky or stuck when trying to open them. This can cause safety concerns if you're not able to open your windows during an emergency, or on the flip side, close your window completely for security. If you live in a humid area, it might be worth it to invest in a dehumidifier for your room. A dehumidifier will help take some condensation out of the room and help the operability of the window. Infestation. Termite infestation, or carpenter ants, is the first thing everybody thinks about when it comes to wood windows. Termites and carpenter ants aren't a huge problem with windows. However, it is common in other open and wooded areas of your home, such as basements and wooden siding. The best preventative measure to take against possible termite or ant colonization is to ensure your windows are sealed properly and that the seal lasts. It's not advised to spray any form of pesticide on your wood windows, as it can do more harm than good to the integrity of the window. If you're considering wooden windows for your home, keep in mind these problems you may encounter: rotting in the wood, weather affecting the operation of the window, and termite or ant infestation. It's also important to know that you may have to shell out a few $100s every few years to upkeep the wood with fresh paint or fresh stain. For more great content on wooden windows, make sure to click the link in the description below. Thank you for dropping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.